Hi, and welcome back to Papa's Living a Flip Flop Life. In today's episode, we're going to actually do a campaign from beginning to end on building a quiz funnel page where you're going to see higher conversions from the traffic that you're going to be sending. And in this training video, we're going to be creating a quiz template from scratch. Like, I'm not getting this information, I'm not getting a ready-made template. I'm going to be building it from scratch so you can see how the process behind of getting something that's simple and making it into a quiz type funnel with easy questions that you can ask, and then the users will be engaging with. And it's a pretty powerful one. So for today, we're going to be trying something entirely new. I never tried this before. I don't know if it's going to convert for me, but it is number 2 on the top 10. It's called Steal by Pro. The only info, and understand this, I'm not even getting an affiliate page for me to go and get my tools from. There's nothing for me to use other than coming here and promoting this and getting my links. And I'm going to show you how this actually works. So I'm going to use the default. I'm going to generate links, and I want to see what this sales page looks like. Okay. So if somebody clicked on my links, this is what they get. I don't like this sales page. Okay. I mean, it's great, but I think I could do a better job in making it a little bit more engaging, and then we can provide them with this as soon as they create or whatever. But see how I'm going to take what they've given me here, and I'll be able to create a quiz funnel from this, where this is going to get you higher ROIs and engagement. Now, obviously, I'm going to be using Groovefunnels for this. I'm going to be building a page from beginning to end. And I'm going to show you a very simple way of starting off this quiz so it looks good and maybe you'll see better results. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just scroll down, and I'm going to find an advertorial landing page. There's a reason why I want to do it this way. I'm just going to write a little bit of content before taking them over to the quiz, and I know that this could be something that will help, okay, make it more believable. And there's a great advertorial page template here where I can be using. So I'm just going to scroll down and find the advertorial. Okay, so it's right here, and I'm going to go ahead and select. I'm going to call this Steal by Pro, and I'll start building. Now, this is a smart way of getting people over and to engage as well. So I want you to watch what I'm going to do. Now, for now, let's begin with changing the title of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the details that they're giving me in Steal by Pro, which is here. So I'm going to move this to the right so I can start building what I'm about to build. And I'm going to take the title, I'm going to use this. So I'm going to just put it as the latest date. And now in this image, I'm going to choose an image that I found online. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to take the first paragraph of what they're writing. Okay. And then the rest I'm going to get rid of. Okay, I'm not gonna do all this. Okay, I don't want none of that. Okay, so I'm gonna delete everything and come back. So right now I just fixed up this article, so it's something along the lines of this. Okay, let me Okay, so you can see that this is done, and I'm just basically setting them up to start with the actual quiz thing that I'm going to be doing right here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take them from this post to the quiz, and that's it. And the quiz, we're going to start creating the questions. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new page. I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to find maybe templates that I can probably use, and this is one that I can use straight off the bat. That looks like a easy yes or no kind of thing. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this top part. Okay, and I'm going to start with question 1, and then this would be yes, and this would be no. Okay, just need them to engage with this, and you'll see how we're going to be doing it. Okay. All right, so right now I'm just preparing the questionnaire that I'm going to be doing. And one is, this would be something like question 1. And I'm going to say like, do you eat sugary foods? Okay, so that's going to be like question 1. Okay, and then we're going to do pages. I'm going to clone this, and then let me just go question 2. Do you drink 1 liter water a day? Okay, that's question 2. Go to pages and then do a clone. Now you're going to be thinking, where am I getting these questions from? Well, basically, this says it's going to give them 5 tips of a healthy teeth. So I'm going to see if they're using any of these. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Question 3 would be, do you eat crunchy fruits and vegetables? Yes or no? Go to clone. Question 4. And then just say here's another one. Do you drink coffee? Actually, coffee or tea? Okay, and clone this. 5 do you take any type of vitamins? Take any type of, okay, so that's question 5, and we're done with that part. And then what we want to do now is create a last page, which will be revealing everything that, revealing the answer, basically taking them over to the offer. Okay, so basically I'm going to create a kind of like a thank you page, and you see what I mean right now. So this 5, let me see, 4, okay, let's go pages 5, and we're going to do one more page. So this is going to be the thank you page kind of thing. So I'm going to go and choose this. Okay. I'm going to remove that. Where I'm gonna, this is the final part where I'm taking them through the answer of what they signed up for. So here are the 5 tips. So I'm just gonna switch things from the already existing templates that I've added, and then I'm gonna go ahead and say copy this. Okay, and I just need to fix it up a little bit in terms of how it looks, so it looks better, so it doesn't look the way that it's looking right now. Okay, so it has to do with spacing and size. Okay, and so it's coming around. So right now I've created the quiz, revealed the 5 tips, showing them what this is all about, basically. Okay, put this a little more in the middle. the answer, and then giving them a chance to purchase it from here. And like I said, the way that this works, I'm going to take them over to the actual sales page for their purchase. Okay. So I'm just going to go and put so it's going to be more of a buy now. URL and to the page. Okay, so that's that. And then I'm just going to get rid of this. Get rid of this. Okay. So I'm just going to save this. Now, what I'm going to do now is connect the pages. Okay, so it's going to start from here. So from here, we want to configure this page so it takes them over to page 2. And then page 2, any of these buttons will be configured so you can take them over to page 3. Same pages, page 3, over to page 3, and this will take them over to page 4. And this page to the last one. Okay, so if I save this right now, I'm going to name this Steel by Pro. We want to test out the funnel, basically. Okay, it's publishing. So this is the page that we just created. Okay, I might need to fix this actually. I'm going to put this better. But let's start off with a quiz. So by taking that, goes to question 1, yes. Question 2, no. Yes, no, sure. Thank you. Following the quiz below, blah, blah, blah. Revealing and buying now. Taking them over. My code is right there. So I'm ready to go with this. Okay. So I just need to put my terms and policies underneath. I want to fix this a little bit better so it's better. So let me try the layout. My container and text. Okay, so I've just finished the quiz funnel that I just created for this, and I'm ready to send traffic to it with paid traffic. And when people come here, this is changed now, this is better, there we go. So it's all lined up nice, and when they take the quiz, they're gonna start taking the quiz. There's no lag whatsoever, everything looks good. Now, one thing that you could do, and after question 5, is maybe put an opt-in page before you take them to the thank you, but it's up to you. So right now, I'm not collecting any leads here. I'm just going through with this specific offer, and this takes them straight over to the checkout page, okay? So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna also add my terms and conditions, okay, which is basically a footer. I'm going to choose one that I have and enter it there. Okay. Okay, so we are ready, and copy link address and put it in here, and there we go. So this is my article. Okay, I might want to change this little article thing over there. All right, and I'm ready to send traffic to this funnel. I'm going to go ahead and create visits to my website. Actually, sorry, conversions to my website. We're going to start with conversions to my website, and we're going to do Steal by Pro. We're going to start off with $5 a day for now. I'm going to choose only United States for now. Okay, and I'm going to uncheck that and save and go to next. Okay, so in this part, I'm going to go ahead and put the actual sales page of the Steal Pro. Okay, so that's, I'm just going to head over to Clickbank. And I will get my links. Copy. Let me check out the actual page, which is this. Okay, so the domain for this offer is going to help me get some keywords for the specific one. Sorry. All right, so we got teeth, brushing teeth, toothache, Steal by Pro, buy Steal by Pro. Go. Healthy teeth, healthy smile. I'm going to use this. Okay. And then I'm going to add to a new ad group. So that's healthy teeth. Perfect. We're going to also add another group. One will be with Steal by Pro. We're going to add it. Okay, so we're going to get that one as well. And we'll add one more. teeth health. Let me try that one. Okay, save and go to next. And now we're going to create our ad. Okay, so our ad is based on where is it? My link. Copy link address, go to campaign, is my link. Same thing goes my mobile. And let us, let's see, 5 tips for a healthy smile. Try this one, 5 tips for a healthy smile. And $1 million smile. Perfect. Let me go down to description. And let me take the right steps and problems. Try that. Okay, and I'm gonna leave it like that. Let me get one more headline. Let's see. Healthy white teeth. I should be good with this. So I'm gonna save. Okay, and I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna, let me see what I can use here. Actually, I'm going to do a learn more. Okay. Oh, sorry. Learn more. I'm going to do, yeah, I'll just do that. Okay. And save and go to next. And I'm going to copy ad to all ad other groups. And save, go to next. Okay, it's giving me some choices here with everything, but I'm going to go with manual bid, and we're going to start off again with 50 cents and see how that works for us. Okay, start off small, and then if I'm not getting any impressions, I'm going to want to fix that. All right, so okay, got it. Okay, so this is going to start sending traffic to that specific offer. So that's how we've built up a template, a quiz template, where you can drive traffic and start promoting this using the method I just showed you. This will get you higher ROI because people are going to be, that are interested, will be clicking on your links, will be going through the funnel, and if it converts, you start generating commissions. Let's see how this goes. I hope you enjoyed this other free training on this. If you want a copy of this template, make sure you sign up to Groovefunnels and get it and use it yourself and try and see if this works for you as well. Other than that, thank you for watching this free training full of value. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button, and I'll talk to you in the next video.